Picture a world where, at the same instant, billions of people sneeze. A global, synchronized achoo. Sounds absurd, right? But what if this seemingly insignificant event unleashed a chain reaction that reshaped our world? And let's find the answer to the question, what if? The initial wave of a simultaneous global sneeze would be dramatic. Billions of sneezes might generate a measurable seismic tremor, albeit a tiny one. Atmospheric pressure could fluctuate slightly, though likely undetectable without sensitive instruments. More impactful would be the transportation chaos. Pilots would struggle to maintain control, drivers could cause massive pileups, and machinery operation would become incredibly hazardous. The spread of germs presents a fascinating paradox. Such synchronized sneezing could cause an unprecedented and rapid spread of airborne illnesses. However, a counterintuitive possibility exists. If the widespread simultaneous sneezing conferred temporary immunity to the prevalent germs, the spread could be unexpectedly curbed. The immediate social ramifications would be profound. Mass confusion and panic would likely ensue as the world grappled with this bizarre, unexpected event. Communication systems, already strained by modern demands, would buckle under the pressure. Phone lines would be overwhelmed, internet connectivity would plummet, and coordinating a response, if any were possible, would be nearly impossible. Economically, the impact would be catastrophic. A simultaneous halt in global activity would cripple production, trigger market crashes, and send shockwaves through every sector, leaving a trail of economic devastation in its wake. The sheer scale of the disruption would leave no corner of the world untouched. The environmental consequences of a simultaneous global sneeze are multifaceted. The sheer volume of expelled air and moisture could temporarily alter atmospheric pressure and humidity, potentially influencing local weather patterns. This massive release wouldn't just be air, it would also include pollen, spores, and microscopic particles from each person's respiratory system. The widespread distribution of pollen could trigger widespread allergies, while the dispersal of fungal spores might spread plant diseases across continents. Further, the sudden influx of millions of microscopic particles into the atmosphere could temporarily impact air quality, though the extent and duration of this impact remains speculative, demanding further scientific study. The long-term repercussions of a synchronized global sneeze would be profound and multifaceted. Societal adjustments might include the creation of Sneeze Day, a global commemoration, or new hygiene protocols. Scientific research would explode, driven by the mystery of the event's cause and its widespread impact. Scientists would investigate atmospheric changes, the spread of pathogens, and the event's geological effects. The psychological consequences could be significant, potentially creating a shared trauma akin to a global PTSD, impacting generations. This event might foster both unity and division. The shared experience of a simultaneous global sneeze could paradoxically foster global unity. Facing a universally felt event, nations might prioritize collaboration over competition, leading to improved international cooperation in disaster response and global health initiatives. This shared vulnerability could accelerate technological advancements, particularly in early warning systems for potential global events and in improving mass communication systems to prevent future communication breakdowns. Furthermore, the sheer strangeness of a synchronized global sneeze would force humanity to confront our interconnectedness and the potential for unpredictable synchronistic occurrences, leading to a deeper understanding of complex global systems and our place within them. A global sneeze would cause widespread chaos, impacting economies, communication, and the environment. However, it might also foster global cooperation and scientific advancements. In your opinion, what if everyone sneezed at the same time? Share your thoughts in the comments.